Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. Today we are making chicken nuggets. It's very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. Before starting the video, I request you to please like, share and subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. Inshallah you will like this recipe. So let's show you how we made this recipe. I hope you will like it. So first of all we will take 500 gram boneless chicken. Then we will cut it with the help of knife into small pieces, not much small, like medium size. So as you can see, now we will boil them in water till their color is changed and they become white. So now in it we will add 1 teaspoon salt and we will put it to boil. While the chicken boils, we will take 4 bread slices and we'll remove the brown part of it, and we will save those for making breadcrumbs. So now on the chicken you can see some white foam came. We will take it off with the help of a spoon or a strainer. So now we will take the bread slices and add in the chopper. Now we will add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Now we will add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Then we will add 1 teaspoon ginger powder. And now after that we will add half teaspoon black pepper powder. Then we will add 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Afterwards, now you can see the chicken is ready. Now we will take out the water and keep it separate from the chicken, and better to discard the water. So now we will add the boiled chicken into the bread and all the spices. And now we will add salt as required. Then we will add 1 tablespoon soya sauce. We'll remove it. Now we will chop it well for about 3 to 4 minutes. You can see it has been chopped well. So now we will remove it and you can see it's finely chopped. Now we will take it out into a plate. And now we will take the brown piece of the bread and cut it into small pieces. So now we will add these in the chopper too, and we will make breadcrumbs out of these. So chop it well. And now we will show you. You can see they're finally made into breadcrumbs. So now you can see how smooth and fine they are. Meanwhile, I am enjoying the view of the sunset from my kitchen. You can see. So now here we will take 2 eggs and we will beat them. Before beating them, into that we will add half teaspoon garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon salt. Then we will mix it well. Now you can see the chicken, we have spread it out, and with the help of the iron molds we will make chicken nuggets shape with it, and make sure you grease the iron molds with the oil. So now here we will grease again with the oil and put them into the mixture made up of chicken, and we'll fill it. You can take of any size and shape, it depends on you, not a problem at all. So now we'll make it different from the others. We'll make it to different shapes and we'll take them out slowly from your fingers. And now you can see it came with a nice shape. So like this we have made all the available shapes. You can make as many as you like. So you can see we have made the chicken nuggets, all of those, and here we have the breadcrumbs, the egg and some things. So now we will dip in egg the chicken nuggets and then in the breadcrumbs. First of all we are dipping it in the egg normally, and then we will dip it into the breadcrumbs and throw the breadcrumbs over it. Make sure you don't break the nuggets as they are delicate. So now after this we will take them out in a plate. Again we will do the same process with all. We will dip it, then we will add it into the breadcrumbs and put it over. So now we have made the chicken nuggets, all of those. So now we will fry them in the oil. So now we will take a deep frying pan, and in that we will add half cup oil. In that we will be frying some French fries. So now I have added the French fries and we'll fry them. You can see the color is changing. We'll take them out and now we'll fry the chicken nuggets. So here we'll take the chicken nuggets all one by one and add them into the frying pan of all the shapes. So you can see we are frying them. You will have to fry them till they are golden brown. So now you can see our recipe is ready. So let's dish it out. We will take it out with the help of a strainer and we'll add them in the plate along with the French fries. So now let's get them tested by our brother Azan.
Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim.
Wow, it's very tasty. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our chicken nuggets recipe is ready. If you like our recipe, then please like, share it, subscribe to the channel and also share it with your friends. Inshallah we'll meet with you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.